2 days, it'll be 6 weeks since I planted my sweet potatoes, and I wanted to give you guys an update. So about a week ago, I started seeing slips come up, and I'm so excited. So I'm going to show you. I have 5 potatoes I put in here, and 4 of them are starting to create slips. This one, nothing. So I don't know what's going on. I don't even see roots on this one. So who knows what happened to that one, but the first one that started coming on is this one. Look at this, you guys. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tons of slips growing out, and there's even a slip starting to grow right there on top. So just probably about 4 or 5 days ago, they barely started growing from there. And then I started seeing slips on this purple one. If you guys look right here, there's probably 4 or 5 slips coming out. You can see some roots growing on that out of there. So I'm so excited. And then some, was this one coming out on the other side? I don't remember. But that's the purple one. And then I looked at this one, and it's got slips coming out both sides. If you guys see right here, this one's kind of stuck in. The roots are stuck, but you can see one right here. And you can see one right here. And then there's one on the other side right here. And then there's another one. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slips on that one. So they're working, and I'm hoping in the next few weeks that they'll get a lot longer, a lot bigger, and I can start putting them in water and they can start rooting, and they will be ready in 5 weeks to plant. Maybe 6 weeks, because I'm going to make sure that the frost has passed. The last frost date has passed. And for us, in Utah, it's about the first week of May, but sometimes I'll wait on ones that are really sensitive to frost until the 2nd or 3rd week. So that's my update. I'm so excited.